Hey guys, happy Sunday morning, April 19th. Finally, the sun is out. Yay! The sun is out. Awesome. Okay. There's a car going by. I'm able to get outside and do some fishing. Hopefully, you guys have been able to get outside a little bit. I know the last 2 days have been rainy and cold, so hopefully, you guys are hanging in there. Me and Miss Iliano, we want to give a shout out to you guys for the work that you guys are doing in these weird and strange times. You're not just packing it in, you're doing everything you can to try to learn in this weird time, which I know is a way that you're not used to learning, and that's online. We don't have us right in front of you, and you're making it happen. And so we just want to say we appreciate you. We love what you guys are doing. Keep up the good work. It's making it's really impressive, and you guys need to have a pat on the back. This week, what are we doing? Two things. We got a video game, and that video game, you're going to answer questions about the cell structures. And then on Thursday, we're going to have a quiz. Dun, dun, dun. That quiz will be open for Thursday and Friday. All right. It is open note, and after Friday, it closes. So you want to make sure Thursday and Friday you get in there and do that quiz. It's going to be on matching the organelles and the difference between a plant and an animal cell. Okay? So make sure you study the study guide. I'm going to post the study guide answers today as well. So everything you can find on the Canvas Files tab. Okay? Now, what you're going to do today is the video game. That video game, the way you do it is it looks something like this. It's got some nice music to it. All right? There's the music. And we start new game. All right. When it says are you using a touchscreen device, I like to click no, even though you might be. It just makes it easier and you're using the keyboard for everything. Click there. Your top secret mission is to go into a cell and you're going to destroy the different organelles in there. This is your spaceship. You're going to do the first mission, recon. You don't have to do the other missions, okay? So you don't have to do the other ones. You can and go to the score sheet and show me the score sheet and get some extra credit if you'd like, okay? But all you have to do is mission one recon and use that to answer the questions. You will enter the cell by endocytosis. You're traveling through the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance, okay? So make sure you put some studying in while you guys are home. Here's my lovely spaceship. It comes in through a vesicle, and then I'm going to click here. Now, once I'm here, here's my spaceship. I use the arrows to move. You see this red thing? This is a lysosome, and the lysosome can kill you. I press spacebar to shoot at it, and what you see is it gives you answers here. Be very careful in this reading. These readings give you the answers. So don't just click OK without reading here about what the lysosomes do. I click OK. As you a pilot, you should avoid lysosomes. Why? Lysosomes digest invaders and other materials with the enzymes. I'm going to click A. That will be my answer for lysosomes. You're correct. Good. I go around and I'm clicking other stuff. I click on here are the ribosomes, these little small dots. What do? I got to click on them. Got it. How good of a gamer are you? Remember to read in here. It looks like the ribosomes make protein, and it's showing you how they make protein, which is pretty cool. Yay! It's making a protein. Now, what would happen if the ribosomes in the cell were destroyed by the cell would be unable to produce glucose. The cell would no longer be able to produce proteins. B. Now you're going through. If you're running out of energy, notice you have an ATP energy meter. ATP stands for energy. So I get this ATP, more energy. See, my energy meter goes down right there. All right. So ATP comes from the mitochondria because the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. They give us energy. Okay. Whoop. I don't want to get too close to the lysosome because he'll eat me. We got the Golgi. Oh, we got a protein there. Oh, look at that. A little protein is being made. The Golgi, then you can see the Golgi packages it. All right, which is pretty cool. Doing a little tour of the cell here. Vesicles take the protein to where it needs to go. I'm going to come around this way because I want to show you the nucleus. Oop, there's the cell membrane. It protects us from everything. Ooh, some ATP from the mitochondria. That's good. That'll give me energy. Uh-oh, got a lysosome. Uh-oh, it's not gonna let me go through there. Uh-oh, I'm in trouble. Whew. Get away from me, lysosome. Get away. And then you can see here, whoa, we got the nucleus and the nucleolus right there. Okay. Smooth ER. So you're gonna hit all these. You're gonna hit the mitochondrion, and you'll then answer those questions, okay? So that's going to be all there for you. Use that to help you. Know the difference between the plant and the animal cell, okay? Know that when you look at your study guide here, you got different things that you got to look at, all right? And you could see from this one, make this bigger, you could see that you have the different packaging here that you got to look at. This is a plant cell because it's got the cell wall. It's a square. All right. So study these. We and Miss Ileana are here for you. We're here to help you. We'll be here during the week. Please check in, and we love and miss you guys. All right. Talk to you. Bye.